Greetings of the day, everyone. We are here to present our project Placementor, a platform which bridges the gap between students and placement cell by enabling seamless communication between both. We are a team of two, Anurag, myself, and Arpan. We have done this project under the guidance of Mr. I. Pavan Kumar sir, who is an assistant professor in Department of Information Technology via Navij IIT. We have used Flutter and Firebase as our main tools to build both the website and the mobile application in our project. Without any further ado, let's get to the demo of Placementor.
Now we are showing you the TNP side application on the website and the students application on the mobile. This is because this is where they are mostly used. Now we can see login screens of both of them, which are mostly similar. Now if we just log into both of them, on the TNP side, we can see that there is an admin board in which the basic details of the coordinator who has logged in is shown, and all the options in which they can use are present. And on the mobile application, we can see the company screen directly. Now on the website, if we go into the companies, now we can see that there are two types of companies here, on campus and off campus. Now they are different because the companies which come to the campus through the institution are known as on-campus, and the off-campus companies are just which are opportunities which are available to everyone whole India wise. Similarly, we have the same division on the application side. The on-campus ones are the horizontal view and the off-campus ones are the vertical view. Now, through the website, we can add a on-campus company or off-campus company using these buttons. Now if we just click on one of the on-campus companies, we can see all the details about it, like about the firm, job description, skill set required, the process timeline, the previously placed contacts, the experiences, and last but not least the FAQs which are generally asked for this company, specific company for the specific role. A similar thing can be seen on the application side too. Now if we see on the off-campus thing, it is similar, but there is a lot less information because the college doesn't know about this. Now we have a search bar on both the sides, on the app and the website, which will basically help us to search through both on-campus and off-campus companies. Now if you can just search for JPMC here, it will show you JPMC company, and you can also give filters such as company type, role type, offer type, package range, company name, role name, and skill set. Now if we go back to the website, we have the newsfeed screen next. Newsfeed is basically to fix the seamless communication part between the TNP cell and students. If TNP cell wants to tell something to the students, they can post it using this newsfeed, and if they want to take opinion from the students on something, they can poll it using this newsfeed screen. Now here you can see that we have two polls and a single post. Now if we see the same screen on the student side, we can see them as polls and posts. Now here we can just vote to them. If you see, if I select first Sunday of Junior and vote, you can see that it is directly updated here on the website side. Similarly, when for a post, if we just mark it as red, it is also updated here. If you just see in the scene count, you can see that 66 is updated here. Now then, if you go back to the original screen, we have the resources screen. Resources are basically the resources which the TNP cell provides to the students, something like the sample resumes, the tutorial video links, or the video resume samples, etc. Now here we can add the resources using this small pop-up dialog, and here on the application, if you see, the resources are shown here, and when you click on one of the resources, you'll be taken to it via the in-app browser. Then on the website side, if you see again, we have the TNP coordinator screen. This is basically where the TNP coordinators can be added, deleted, and also can be viewed using a filter. Now in the top you can see this strip in which specifically to a branch we can filter them out. Now if we click IT, you can see only one tile, but if when you click TNP, you can see all the tiles available there. A similar thing is available in the application on the profile screen. Now profile screen is basically some things which are specific to the student. Now here if you see the TNP coordinator screen, a similar UI you can see here. It has a strip above, and when you want to filter it, you can filter using the same mechanism. Now on the application, there is a simple to-do list in which you can basically add some to-do, mark it as completed and delete it if you want. So this can act as a in-app reminder for you if you want to do something with specific to placements. Then we have the students screen on the website, which is basically showing us all the students available in the database right now. Now here you can add students and delete students using this button. Now for adding students, it basically gives us a Google Sheet. When you go to that Google Sheet and update all their details, it creates accounts for all of them and adds them into the database. Similarly for delete, we get another Google Sheet with which when we update the details there, the students are deleted. Now here when I logged in initially, I used Arpan's credential. So Arpan is one of the students here, if you can see. Then if you go back, we have the Offcampus Opportunities screen. Now this is congruent to the Offcampus Opportunities form which is available on the app. Now this is basically when there is some opportunity which is missing in the app, the students can suggest the TNPSL to look into them via this form. So if they enter their details and just click the button send information to TNP, it will be shown there. Now if you can see an example here which is like someone posted a data analyst role of 10 LP of Flutter, and the TNPSL can verify it, and if it's legit, they can add it to the application and they can delete it simultaneously. Then we have the ticket screen, which is similar to the off-campus screen. This is basically if the students have some suggestions or there is something missing in the application or they have some concern, they want to give some feedback, they can use this feature. So they just need to give the title and the description, and the same thing will appear on the website side. Now if you see on the website, we'll get what is the description, what is their suggestion and who posted it, and if the issue or the suggestion is being taken into consideration, the TNPSL can directly click resolved and the ticket will be gone. Then lastly, we have the logout function on both the website and application. So here on the website, when you click logout, you'll be taken back to the same login screen which we came through, and the admin, like the TNP coordinator, whoever logged in, details will be lost forever. And similarly in the application, when you click logout, the user who has logged in will be logged out.